The history and beauty of unique, antique, or vintage finds cannot be underestimated. But traveling from estate sale to estate sale in order to find a diamond in the rough can be exhausting. CTOnlineAuctions.com puts rare and unique estate sale finds along with everyday household goods at your fingertips in the comfort of your own home and on the go with your mobile phone. Easily browse or search items from across the country or in your local area. View numerous photos, review product descriptions, and easily place bids. Place your maximum bid, sit back and relax while our site places bids for you in increments over competing bids. Receive bid and outbid notifications via email, and easily keep track of items in your very own watching, bidding, won, and not won pages. Checkout is easy with either PayPal or credit card. Register today at CTOnlineAuctions.com and find the treasures and bargain-priced household goods you've been searching for.